Welcome to a journey of transformation. Today, we're taking this tarnished brass lighter, a relic of countless moments, and bringing it back to life. Observe the years of use, the character etched into its surface. Every scratch tells a story, waiting to be renewed through meticulous care and attention. Our restoration begins with careful disassembly. Each component is meticulously separated, revealing the intricate inner workings and hidden mechanisms. The old, worn cotton wick, a testament to countless ignitions, is carefully extracted. This is a crucial step in our revival, making way for new life. Now, the magic of cleaning begins. Watch as the brass casing sheds its past, revealing its inherent luster beneath layers of grime and oxidation. Preparation is key to a perfect restoration. A fresh, pristine cotton wick is unspooled, ready to absorb new life and fuel future flames. With precision and steady hands, the new cotton wick is expertly threaded through the lighter's mechanism, ensuring perfect function and fuel delivery. The essence of ignition. Lighter fluid is slowly dripped onto the cotton, watching it absorb, ready to ignite with a clean, steady burn. Piece by piece, the lighter is carefully reassembled. Each component finds its rightful place, restoring its original form and functionality. The moment of truth arrives. A strike of the flint wheel unleashes a shower of brilliant sparks, a dramatic prelude to the fire within. And there it is, the steady, mesmerizing blue flame. A symbol of renewal, burning brightly once more, a testament to craftsmanship. Behold the transformation. The fully restored brass lighter, gleaming and vibrant, a testament to meticulous care and dedication. From a tarnished relic to a shining masterpiece. This journey of restoration is beautifully complete, ready for new stories to unfold.